How to return Savana products. Now, as of this moment on this video, I don't have an actual order from Savana, but I'm going to show you how it works. First is, of course, open up your Savana application and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, below, you should be able to see the Me tab at the lower right. Tap on that. And above that, you should be able to check out your current orders, if it is unpaid, processing, delivered, or returns. Before processing the return, you need to have the item to be delivered to you at first. Check out if that item is damaged, missing parts, or incorrect product that you received. You also need to make sure and truly understand the return policy that Savana is providing us. So they are providing us at least within 10 days, no return fee. Now, you also need to fully understand that currently they do not support an exchange policy at this time. Their basic return policy condition that the product must be in its original condition and used with the branded plastic tags, along with packaging intact. Now, to process the return is just to choose on that specific product and the quantity for return. Choose a reason for the return if it is damaged or missing parts, and then add any necessary details about the issue and upload images if prompted or if available. Now, you can then enter pickup and bank details, pickup address, and the desired time for pickup, and then enter your bank details for the refund, especially for cash on delivery orders. Submit it, and the request is going to be under for review at first. And that is how you return Savana products.